This is me and my RC plane after over 700 hours of work, countless rebuilds, and after over 5 crashes. This happened. So this is how it all started.
These are the plans that I have printed and the electronics that I bought.
This is called Kitty board, the board I'll be using to make my RC plane. Now I'm done with the rudder and the elevator or power vent. So yeah, I'll be doing the wings and yeah, we'll get back. I just made 2 wings. So this is the second wing. Let me show you the first wing. See, you can see over here the servo motor and the servo wires come through this side. By now the push rods and the servos had been placed and the rudder and the elevator was complete. This is how it works. So when I pull it down, this is how I'm supposed to go up, and this is to tilt. This is the 4-foot wing, very long, longer than the plane itself. So these are the 2 servos. This is the Y extension cord. This is an 8045 propeller, so it's 8-inch. This is the transmitter. This is the 3S LiPo battery which I am using. This is an ESC, and this is the receiver. So right now I'm making the motor mount for the motor, and also you have to consider a small thing when you make single propelled airplanes: 3 degrees right thrust and 1 degrees down thrust. So that's how the motor should be placed. From this perspective, you can see there's the down thrust on the motor as the motor is being placed downwards, which will give a down thrust, but right thrust, unfortunately, from this angle you cannot see. Since it's a tricycle RC airplane, it's supposed to have a front landing gear like this. So that's what I'm currently making right now. This was the temporary rear landing gear that I made using 2 wood pieces just to test out how the plane steers. This was the temporary rear landing gear, so instead I use this 5mm metallic landing gear. Now as the rods were fitted, the plane was almost ready. This is how it looked after I attached the wing. Now I started branding my plane on the rudder and also on the right side of the fuselage. After hours and hours of trying, I almost gave up until this appeared.
The biggest mistake in life is not to make a mistake. If you're not ready to make mistakes, you will never learn. If you don't learn, you will never win. Every mistake is a recipe to win. Success is hidden in the mistakes that you make. The only thing is that you should not repeat the same mistake you make. The same mistake you made should not be repeated.
Guys, I replaced the motor because the previous one was clogging, and I got a new one from electronic.lk. It's the shop I usually go to buy my electronics, so if you're in Sri Lanka you can check them out. The link is in the description. The project is over, so I had to tear it down to use the components in upcoming projects. But the teardown video link is in the description below, and comment down below what should I make next.